Here's how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Snapchat is an American instant messaging and multimedia sharing social media app that allows you to block users if you don't want to be bothered with their annoying snaps, or for whatever reason you don't want a certain user to be in your friends list. But in case you change your mind about blocking them and are willing to rekindle the flare of friendship with them, then the app also offers a feature to unblock them. As the feature to block or unblock users on Snapchat is available on both Android and iOS, the process to do so is identical on both platforms. Here are the easy steps to unblock a user on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Then tap the Bitmoji or username in the upper left corner of the screen. Now choose the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings. Scroll down to see the account action section, then tap Blocked. A list of blocked users will appear. Then from that list, tap the X that appears to the right of the username of the person you want to unblock. Snapchat will now ask for confirmation. Tap Yes if you're sure to unblock this person. Here's a side note: blocking someone hides their accounts from you and yours from them. So after unblocking someone, you'll have to add the person as a friend again, and the same is required from the other end. Once you both have added each other again, you can send and receive snaps.